Okay, we'll start the session. So I thank you all for giving your time on this beautiful Sunday evening. Today, we all have gathered virtually for one common cause, which is to give unconditional support to Arnab Goswami and Republic TV Media. Along with us, we also have few members from Republic TV who have graciously giving their time early morning for listening to the NRI views and our voices, and I sincerely thank them for giving their time today. Some housekeeping rules: please be muted towards during the actual session as and when the speakers are speaking. After the speakers session is over, we will keep a small questions and answers and some opinion session towards the tail end of this event. For speakers, you have up to 3 minutes, and please be judicious in utilizing your time. There is an order and queue in which the speakers will be speaking from number 1 to number 13, which is already communicated to them, and they will strictly follow that order looking at the lineup. The opinions and the views are the personal opinions of the speakers, which are members of various organizations, institutions here as well as in Bharat, and they are involved in various socio-economic and political activities representing their Janma Bhumi, which is Bharat, and Karma Bhumi, which is the USA. The ethos of Bharat is from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and from eastern part, from Arunachal, Bengal to Rajasthan, which is the western part, we are one. That's what the Bharatiya stands for. We strongly believe in Anikta Mein Ekta, unity in diversity. That's the ethos of India. Arnab Goswami is one of the most popular journalist and TV anchor of the modern day Indian media in English and Hindi media house. And by far, Republic TV, in terms of popularity, is the most popular TV media channel. Media and journalism is considered as the fourth pillar and democracy of our democracy. And with the recent act by the Maharashtra government and Maharashtra police, they simply demolished this pillar by their autocratic and dictatorial behavior. To give you an overview of this situation, this case is an old case originating in the calendar year 2018, which is of the suicide abatement case of the architect in Mumbai, Anvay Naik and Kumud Naik. This case was closed in 2019 after the CID investigation. However, recently we smell some doubts as to this case was suddenly reopened by the Maharashtra state and by the Maharashtra police. When a senior and a popular TV journalist like Arnab is framed in a cropped up namesake case and an accusation, it seems the Maharashtra government, primarily Shiv Sena, NCP, and Congress party, is taking a revenge against Arnab, Republic TV, for doing their job right without having any bias, and they are punishing them for speaking the truth. There is always a civic way of acting, and what the Maharashtra government and Maharashtra police have done is no short of a tyrannical behavior of that of reminding of Aurangzeb and the cruel dictators we have had in Bharat. The NRI and the Indian citizens are seeing the mockery of Indian judiciary, which holds sessions at midnight for jihadi terrorists, but there is no swift action taken in this case towards granting the immediate bail of the nationalist television anchor. They have filed the FIR against Arnab, not only Arnab, but his wife and son too. His 20-year-old son was also manhandled and assaulted by Maharashtra police along with Arnab and his wife. The NRI across the globe are giving their wholehearted support and holding public rallies, virtual conference calls, posting their selfie videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, showing their solidarity with Arnab and Republic TV. The ethos of Maharashtra, the ethos of Bharat, the ethos of India is unity in diversity. So today we have dozens of speakers across the country in the USA who will be speaking, as I said, for up to 3 minutes, first in their mother tongue and then using English language, which is easy to understand globally, showcasing their support to Arnab and to Republic TV. The speakers have different heritage. The speakers have different ethnic background. The speakers are from different professional spheres of life. They're scattered across this great nation, USA. And also they have a very diverse heritage back home in Bharat. A copy of this session will be sent as the next step of this NRI's cohesive voice to the Maharashtra state government, Chief Minister Shri Uddhav Thackeray, the Maharashtra State Home Minister Shri Anil Deshmukh ji, the NCP Party Supremo Shri Sharad Pawar ji, the BJP National President Shri JP Nadda ji, the Maharashtra State BJP Head Shri Chandrakant Patil ji, the Mumbai City BJP President Shri Mangal Prabhat Lodha ji, the Maharashtra State BJP NRI in charge Shri Atul Shah ji, the Home Minister of Bharat Shri Amit Shah ji, and a copy also goes to the Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi ji. Now, my minute speech in Marathi. माझं नाव देव कार्लेकर. मी गेली 21 वर्ष न्यू जर्सी मध्ये राहतो. बाय प्रोफेशन मी एक IT एंटरप्रेन्योर आहे. मी ओरिजिनली मुंबई महाराष्ट्रावरनं माझं हेरिटेज आहे आणि जेव्हा मी पाहिलं द रिसेंट ऍक्ट ऑफ अर्णब गोस्वामी मला वाटलं की आम्ही हा एक सेमिनार करावा व्हर्च्युअली. जस्ट टू गिव्ह अवर ओव्हरवेल्मिंग सपोर्ट वी आर डूइंग दिस just to show the world what the truth is. So without doing any further ado, now I would have the second speaker, Miss Sunita Pandey ji. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सुनीता यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स स्पॉट्सवुड न्यू जर्सी की रेजिडेंट हूँ और इंडिया में भारत में पश्चिम विहार न्यू दिल्ली की रेजिडेंट हूँ. मैं एक IT प्रोफेशनल हूँ और आज बहुत ही दुख अर्नब गोस्वामी के साथ महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट और महाराष्ट्र पुलिस ट्रीट कर रही है.
Bombay High Court to pronounce order on Arnab Goswami's illegal arrest at 3 p.m.
Go ahead, Sunita ji.
I'm audible. Should I start from beginning? Hello. Hello.
Please go ahead.
Okay. मेरा नाम सुनीता पांडे है. मैं स्पॉट्सवुड न्यू जर्सी यूनाइटेड स्टेट की रेजिडेंट हूँ और इंडिया में मैं पश्चिम विहार की रेजिडेंट हूँ. और आज मैं बहुत ही दुखी मन से आहत हूँ जिस तरह से महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट और महाराष्ट्र गोस्वामी के साथ बिहेव कर रही है. So I'm really deeply saddened how the biased approach is by the Maharashtra government towards Arnab Goswami. We all just we all that they are showing their personal grudges just because he fearlessly asking to the Maharashtra government and Maharashtra police to the either it is regarding in the Palghar Santoki lynching or the Sushant Singh Disha Salyan murder case. Just because of that, they are putting their personal grudges. And now we are very, very scared for his safety, because in past we have seen that they trap him in various cases, like time they are trying to put him in the faulty case, or sometime we have heard that some Congress MP leader has said they will make sure he do suicide. So and now intentionally they are putting him in the jail where we are worrying like kill him or lynch him by the goons in that jail, because there are so many goons are from the Daud group. So we are really worrying for his safety, and we request to the Indian government and the jurisdiction system to make sure that for his safety, because his our most priority. We want his case should be transferred to the other state like Delhi, so that this case can be handled impartially. Also, provide him the jet plus security. Otherwise, we don't have any trust on the Mumbai police or the Mumbai government, because we are sure how harm they can put for Arnab Goswami. So Arnab, we want to make you assure that as an NRI, our full support is with you, and we again request to the Indian government and the jurisdiction system, because in past we have seen many times they have taken such steps where they have seen some civic right violation may happen, and here we have seen that they are not allowing Arnab Goswami to talk to his lawyer. They are beating him, and how they are treating him. We are losing the hope in the Mumbai police and with the Mumbai government. So again, we are requesting to the government, please may intervene in this case and make sure that Arnab Goswami case can be handled impartially. Thank you so much.
Namaste, my name is Deepayan Deb. I am a software engineer. I work in one of the top IT companies in Silicon Valley. আমি সিলিকন ভ্যালি ফ্রিমন্টে থাকি। আমি বাঙালি, আর আমি আসাম থেকে বাঙালি বলছি। মই অসমৰ ল'ৰা। So I'll switch back to English. So Arnab Goswami is one of the top journalists in India. He always thinks of India first. So, I mean, there are many other journalists who has done who covered various other topics, but there is no one who can match Arnab when it comes to the India think fast thing. So some of the politicians from the opposition parties tries to spin like he works for BJP, but that's not the case. Arnab always speaks for Indian army, India as a nation, and we are seeing him from past many years how he is fighting for trying to put India first in everything basically. So as I am from Assam basically, and Arnab is a son from Assam, it hurts us seeing how Maharashtra government is harassing him, and it is really, you cannot it's not the way to treat a journalist who is speaking for the truth. I mean, his family is being harassed. His young son is being attacked. I mean, it brings shame. I'm an NRI and I live in California. It's a matter of shame when my next door guy asks, they're also hearing that a journalist in India is being harassed in this way, and he's treated worse than a terrorist. I mean, even Ajmal Kasab was treated better than him. I mean, way Mumbai police is doing that, it brings shame to, I mean, we as a country. We urge Modi ji and we urge Maharashtra government to end this and release Arnab. I mean, he is fighting for truth. Yeah, sometimes truth can hurt the political parties, but it's not the way to deal with somebody who is fighting for a nationalist agenda. I think we as a nation, we NRIs all over, we are coming together basically. I'm just returning from a rally from Arnab. I just stopped on the way because I could not reach home by the time Devji has arranged this meeting. So I parked my car and I'm talking like from somewhere, and we are really shocked at the treatment Arnab is receiving, and this should end. I mean, this is too much. Again, as a I'm an Assamese as well as a Bengali, and it hurts us mostly. Like, yes, Arnab is son from Assam, so we would urge the government and the Maharashtra government to end these, and Mumbai police. This is not the way to do it. People will stop trusting you if you continue doing this way. You are like basically with uh, terrorists you are behaving better, or anti-nationals you are behaving better, and with a great patriot like Arnab, I mean, you guys are degrading yourself. I mean, there would be a big question in your credibility. Jai Hind. Thank you.
નમસ્કાર, મારું નામ ભક્તિ જોશી છે અને હું યુએસમાં વિલ્ટન કનેક્ટિકટ સિટીમાં છું અને હું યુએસમાં ગયા 4 વર્ષથી રહું છું અને ભારતમાં હું સુરત ગુજરાતમાં હતી અને અહીંયા યુએસમાં હું આઈટી સોફ્ટવેર એન્જિનિયરનું કામ કરું છું અહીંયા. અને અત્યારે દેવ કાર્લેકરજીએ અમને એક ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી આપી છે અરિંધબ ગોસ્વામી વિશે વાત કરવા માટે, અને હું અહીંયા એટલા માટે આવી છું કારણ કે આઈ એમ ફીલિંગ extremely bad when I heard the news of Arnab, because we have grown up in a free country, in a democratic country, and we are not used to seeing such abuse of power, rough abuse of power up to such an extent. So we are not used to seeing these kind of things, and this kind of clampdown on the freedom. So that's why we are Indians and we are Hindus and we speak up because we do not accept this, and that's why we are here. And regarding Arnab, we all know that he is always pro-India no matter what. And when we heard about the years back, when we heard about JNU Tukde Tukde gang and people talking about Indian army as if they are doing atrocities in Kashmir and other places, it was Arnab who reflected our anger and our emotions. So we could see that, and that's why we could connect, and that's why we are here, because we know that he is like us and he feels the same way for the country, and he is so successful that he has reached this level and this stature, and to be the most the head of the biggest channel, the most popular channel in a country like India, in such a big country like India. It's not a small thing, and he has holding on to his nationalism and his principles. He has reached this far, and he's so courageous. He is extremely courageous person, and he has taken up on all the anti-nationals. And so this is a time that we need to support him, and especially because he's fighting Bollywood and the drug mafia, and it is the entire powerful Bollywood industry. Bollywood has a lot of power, especially soft power. We have grown up watching Bollywood movies, and we know what is the kind of influence they have in people's psyche, and apart from the real power and the money power, of course. So right now is the time for us to get together and in one voice ask the Supreme Court of India to intervene and to free Arnab and ensure his safety. And we can no longer see, we are very distressed as NRI community. We are very distressed to see Arnab in this condition. And we hope and we have faith in the Supreme Court, and we request in one voice to Supreme Court to release Arnab as soon as possible. Dhanyavad. Jai Shri Ram.
Thank you, Bhakti. નમસ્કાર, મારું નામ કિરીટ શાહ છે. હું પ્લેસ પર ન્યૂ જર્સીનો રહેવાસી છું અને ઓરિજિનલી આઈ એમ ફ્રોમ અમદાવાદ, ગુજરાત. આપણા લાડીલા અર્નબ ગોસ્વામીની ક્રિમિનલ સ્ટાઇલથી ધરપકડ થઈ છે, જેને હું આકરા શબ્દમાં નિંદા કરું છું. તેમની જે તે ધરપકડ થઈ તે માટે મુંબઈ પોલીસ અને મહારાષ્ટ્ર સરકાર ખરેખર શરમજનક છે. આ સમયે સ્વર્ગસ્થ શ્રી અટલ બિહારી વાજપેયીની इमरजेंसी समय में एक कविता मैंने याद आ गई. सत्ता का खेल तो चलेगा, सरकारें आएगी और जाएगी, पार्टियां बनेगी बिगड़ेगी, मगर ये देश रहना चाहिए, इस देश का लोकतंत्र अमर रहना चाहिए. Hi, my name is Kirit Shah. I am a resident of Plainsboro, New Jersey, USA. Back home, I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. By profession, I am an IT professional. I am living in the US since last 21 years. I strongly condemn Arnab Goswami's brutal arrest. Arnab is our hero. Living in USA, my morning starts with Arnab's program, Puchta Hai Bharat. And I'm honestly saying that every day I watch this program. Every citizen has a right to ask questions. And being a rock star news anchor, Arnab has courage and guts to ask right questions to authorities. No one can stop him. This reminds me of a famous quote by French geologist Mr. Auguste Michael Levy. You can bend it, you can twist it, you can misuse it, you can abuse it, but even God cannot change the truth. I'll repeat the last word, but even God cannot change the truth. We are with you, Arnab. Mumbai police and Maharashtra government have attacked fourth pillar of Indian democracy. I request Maharashtra government and Mumbai police to release Sri Arnab Goswami immediately. If not, I request government of India to intervene and impose governor rule in Maharashtra to save democracy and release our hero, Sri Arnab Goswami. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai.
मेरा नाम नोबल गुप्ता, मैं सियाटल तो 28-30 ईयर तो सियाटल च रह रही हां, सियाटल वाशिंगटन यूएसए. बैक होम मैं पंजाब तो हां, हुशियारपुर सिटी पंजाब. मैं इत्थे हॉस्पिटल च काम करदी हां इन नर्सिंग. And our day start with watching Republic TV, Arnab Goswami's news debates, and it's really shocking and disappointing to see what's happening with Arnab Goswami. This is really, really bad, so immature act from Maharashtra government. This is really disappointing to see what's going on. Our kids are scared to visit India. I just want to ask, how are we going to be comfortable and telling our kids about India? How are we going to be proud of India if these things happen? I mean, he's just doing his job. He's not a biggest criminal. If there was a case, like you guys opened any old case, there's a way how to treat this situation, You guys are doing it so immaturely that we are shameful for this act. We are ashamed to tell our kids what's happening in the news. It's really bad to see what Arnab is going through. It's really heartbreaking. इस सिचुएशन को अच्छे से हैंडल किया जा सकता था. उसका केस, if you guys are opening his case, that's fine. Deal it with lawfully, You guys can send him notice, tell him to come to the police station, do whatever. But this is not act like, we have a way to handle this situation. As a human being, we don't treat anybody like this. And this is very, very sad to see. I just want to request all the officials, they can help. If they can help Arnab Goswami, please help him, because we want to see him safe and back to work. Arnab is a voice for all of us. We really trust in Republic TV. We get the right news, and we're always looking forward to see that. And this is very disappointing to see Arnab going through this. This is not in democratic country. We don't experience that. I hope nobody experienced that. So please, I want to request everybody, please help Arnab Goswami. Thank you very much.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ದಾನಪ್ಪನವರ್. ನಾನು ಮೂಲತಃ ಧಾರವಾಡ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕಳೆದ 22 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು USA ಮಿಶಿಗನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ನ ಡೆಟ್ರಾಯ್ಟ್ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನ ಗಮನಿಸಿದಾಗ ಮುಂಬೈ ಪೊಲೀಸರಿಂದ ಅರ್ನಬ್ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟಿವಿಯ ಅರ್ನಬ್ ಗೋಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರ ಕಾನೂನು ಬಾಹಿರ ಬಂಧನ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಪ್ರಜಾತಂತ್ರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಪಾಯಕಾರಿ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ತಂದೊಡ್ಡಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾರತೀಯರು ಇದನ್ನು ವಿರೋಧಿಸದಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಅಪಚಾರ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಉಳಿದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವಾದಿ ಭಾರತೀಯರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜನರಿಗೂ ಬರುವ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳಿವೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಈ ತರಹದ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೂಡಲೇ ವಿರೋಧಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಸರ್ಕಾರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರು, ಮಾನ್ಯ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿಗಳು, ಮಾನ್ಯ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಶ್ರೀ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರು ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುರ್ತಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ಧಾರವನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಂಡು ಅರ್ನಬ್ ಗೋಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ನನ್ನ ಕಳಕಳಿಯ ವಿನಂತಿ. Hello, my name is Basavaraj Danapanawar. I am originally from Dharwad in Karnataka state. I've been living here in USA for last 22 years, and currently I'm at Detroit, Michigan area. We've been watching what's going on in Mumbai with Arnab Goswami. He's a true nationalist, and he gives most unbiased updates, news about India. My day starts with Arnab's show. I watch Arnab every day, and I truly feel that this kind of journalists are required in India. The Mumbai police has been harassing him for a while. I have been noticing that. And if we do not stop this, this could happen to anyone in India, just any nationalist, any patriotic person, or even a common person cannot be escaped by these atrocities of police. So we need to act now. If we don't act now, tomorrow it could happen to any one of us or any one of our relatives in India. So I humbly request Maharashtra government, the governor of Maharashtra, Prime Minister, President of India, and most importantly, I would request the Supreme Court judges to suo moto action and make sure Arnab is released safely and he's not been harmed in any way. I hope they will make some good decisions soon and hope to see Arnab back in the studio again. Jai Hind.
हमार नाम शशि सिंह है और हम बिहार के बक्सर जिला से हैं। और ये अभी वाशिंगटन सियाटल में रही अपन परिवार संगे। और हम यहाँ अर्नब जी के सपोर्ट में कुछ कहल चाहिला। We all are within support of Arnab ji. Maharashtra government is doing whatever with Arnab is against democracy and the Constitution of India. And it seems like there is emergency 2.0, because only in emergency a government can take such action against any journalist and media. Maharashtra government, I couldn't understand why Maharashtra government is doing such things in the democracy, and whom they wanted to save, and why they do not want to come out all the truth among the people, and also in India. Why they are scared from Arnab ji, and why they are scared from Republic TV of India? Is there something bigger or what which they wanted to hide? We all Indian and India and NRI, we all are supporting Mr. Arnab ji, but we want the support from central government and the state government of Maharashtra, and especially the media house of India. Because if they don't speak this time, tomorrow will be their chance, and no one can take a stand to save all of you. So this is the right time to stand with Arnab ji, because tomorrow we don't know what happened. So, and I also request to central government, please interfere in this matter. If you do not interfere in this matter, any other state government can also take this action against all the journalists and media house. And this is the fourth pillar of democracy. If you hurt this pillar, all the three other pillars also fall down. So we must support Arnavji and requesting the central government especially, please come forward and interfere and speak and take action also against the Maharashtra government. Why they are doing? Why you are not asking the question with the Maharashtra government? Why you are taking the action like this? What is the crime? You are dragging him dragging him in the two years back incident where there is no evidence against him, and still you are doing. So it's not acceptable. It's not acceptable, and we need worldwide movement in the support of Arnavji. First, they started from the Palghar incident, then the Sushant case, then the Disha Salyan case, and then all the Bollywood. They all just wanted to stop to Arnavji because he just wanted to speak truth. And Maharashtra government and all the Bollywood company do not want to listen him and listen the truth. That's why they are doing all this action against him. Is it democracy or dictatorship? I just wanted to know this. Is it democracy or dictatorship? It's not democracy. There is no democracy in Maharashtra government. We just need answer from Mr. Uddhav Thackeray and the Maharashtra government. Why? What is the crime? If you do not speak, we all Indian and NRI do a worldwide movement to support Arnavji and his family. Whatever you are doing with him and his family, it's not acceptable, especially in the democracy. If you are saying that India is a democratic country, then you cannot hurt the fourth pillar of democracy. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.
Yes. मेरा नाम है अनु मोहन. नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल and hello. मैं बेकर्सफील्ड कैलिफोर्निया ते हैगी हां and ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਏ 40 ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ हैं and ਮੇਰਾ ਬਰਥ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਹਰਿਆਣਾ ਚ and ਮੇਰੀ profession ਹੈਗਾ commercial real estate ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ and ਸਾਡੇ ਇੱਥੇ medical clinic ਵੀ ਹੈਗੇ हैं. So actually I was not very much involved in Indian politics or even India news. But I always supported, of course, Modi ji, because my dad is a very big fan of Modi ji. And I started following Sushant's case, and that's how I started watching Arnav's channel. And that's where I really learned a lot about what was going on in India. And I first saw the Palghar Sadhu lynching case on his show, and I was devastated. And I also learned from Arnab Goswami and the Republic channel that how the funding from underworld is provided to Bollywood to support our anti-national agenda. How the PR paid channels that are supporting the anti-national agenda that goes against our country's national interests. Another thing, when the Hatra case came and how Arnab took such a courageous step to show how the drama was being played by the Congress party, and he exposed one of the Congress party member and what they were planning and the riots they were planning. I think my whole entire family was just shocked. And I think the worst thing that I felt when I heard Sadhvi Pragya's torture by Mumbai police. And that was just something I could never predict happening in India. Especially, I think, because under Modi government, it was something that I never expected. I always assumed that it was like a faith I had in Modi government. So I learned from Arnab Goswami and from Republic channel. He's the one who educated me about India and what was going on in Maharashtra government. So I want to thank him and Republic channel for that, and how the cancer is spread in our country and killing our country's Hindu principles and values. That's the most disturbing. And I am disappointed when Modi ji and Governor of Bhagat Singh, उन्होंने जो मौन व्रत रखा हुआ है, एंड मेरे हस्बैंड बोलते हैं नाम है भगत सिंह और काम कर रहे हैं मनमोहन सिंह जैसा। उन्होंने कुछ भी नहीं बोला। मैं वेट करती रही कि कब मोदी जी बोलेंगे। मुझे यहाँ मोदी जी के ब्लेम नहीं करना, मुझे ये नहीं पता उनका क्या रीजन है, व्हाट इज देयर रीजन फॉर नॉट स्पीकिंग अप, बट दिस इज द टाइम टू स्पीक फॉर at least statement for something. So I have been a little bit disappointed. Chalo chodo. Or and I also learned that Maharashtra government, which is Shiv Sena, is very proudly Hindu national party, and unke kumkaram kya chal rahe hain aajkal. Their father, the grandfather was a very national Indian supporter, and now they have basically collaborated with anti-national agenda supporting party, and all this is going on, and it's very disheartening. And I don't think I would have learned this if I wasn't for Arnab ji, and I wouldn't have learned this for public channel, because I don't find this anywhere in any channel. I've had Z channel, I have a TV Asia, we have never heard anything, and even when I switch channels, you don't hear this. So I want to thank him first of all for all this, and I know he's put his life in danger for this cause. And like all of you people in all over the world, truly appreciates Arnab, and I know he is totally supporting the same cause that Modi ji does, Amit Shah does. So we need to do something for him. And my request is to Modi ji and Amit ji and Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, please use suo motu and release Arnab Goswami. Jab Twitter dekho, whenever you open the Twitter, you're hearing something so drastic. You're always fearing for his life. And watching his last video when he was screaming outside the van, I remember just doing that, my tears just came down. It was so devastating seeing somebody so nationalist, so loving his country go through this. So again, it's my humble request, Modi ji, please do something. And Supreme Court today, if his hearing is coming in any hour, please release him. He must be released. There should be no other option. Please, thank you. Jai Hind.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೀಶಾ ರಾವ್. ನಾನು ಮಿಶಿಗನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಟ್ರಾಯ್ಟ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ IT ಕಂಪನಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒರಿಜಿನಲಿ ನಾನು ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯವನು. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸಣ್ಣ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದು ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳು, ಲಂಕೇಶ್ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ, ಹಾಯ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಇದನ್ನ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಳ್ತಾವ್ರು ನಾವು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಡುವಾದ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಗಿನ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ತರ ಅರ್ನಬ್ ಗೋಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಆಗಿದ ತರ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಈ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಅವನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಜೈಲಿಂದ ಕರೆದು ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಶೋ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅದೇ ತರ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. Friends, my name is Srisha Rao. I am a IT professional. I work for a software company here and based in Michigan, Detroit. I remember a quote: freedom is a very, very fragile thing. It is just one generation away. Every generation has to fight and defend for that freedom. And I think Arnab was just doing that. And he never cared for his life. He was putting his life at risk for all of us, bringing the truth. Every case I've seen, I've been following it from when he was in Times Now to now what is his Republic right now. His style has not changed. He has not changed. When there was no media, there was no right-wing media. No, the real media was not at all in India. He brought a new channel where he created his own. He built the entire grounds up. It's so inspiring to the young generation. And when I see these things going through, I have my one question comes to every time my mind: what kind of a life, or what kind of a life that we're going to leave behind for our next generation? Is this is a life we're going to leave behind? It boils my blood when he go through screams and he's treated like a terrorist, and the black fabric in front of his big van. I never seen that kind of a treatment for any journalist in entire my life. So it's very disheartening. And the impression of India, what it carries in around the world, is a democratic country. It's the biggest democracy. That is a danger. Today is not what Arnab life is a danger. Today, what is a danger is the way of life of India. Bharat is a danger. Or is Indian conscious is alive or dead? That is the question. It goes to everyone who living in India. It may be people in bureaucracy, or people in a political form, or people who are just walking on the street. If anything happens to Arnab, do you think we can go and every day see in mirror and see ourselves? and without a guilt. That's I don't want to see myself. If something happens to him, I can't see myself in the mirror. It's whatever I wrote my speech, it's everything is gone today. It's so emotional that it's I can't even control my emotion. If I would have been in India, I would have been on the street and fighting for Arnab. So I request everyone in the judiciary system, everyone in the political system, especially the people who we voted, Modi ji, Amit Shah ji, we have so much trust. I know if you want, you can get it done easily. So we request you to take action. Please don't take this a simple case. We request your intervention and get Arnab out. We want to see Bharat Pujta again. So we want to see Arnab again back in the show. Dhanyavad.
Do we have Shrikant Akunuri? If not, then Devi Mohapatra is next.
Hello everyone, I'm Devi Mohapatra, an IT professional from Plainsboro, New Jersey. भारतर ओडिशा राज्यरु म आछि मो घर ओडिशा रे भुवनेश्वर रे जदि आज देखिबा हमें तले वास्तव रे भारतीय नागरिक मानक पई आज गोटे गुरुत्वपूर्ण मुहूर्त आज ठिया जाइछि हम सामने रे जोतरे हमर अधिकार हम स्वाधीनता एपरिक हम जीवन विपद थिला बेला लागुछि अर्णव को जो बेला व्यवहार करा जाउछि एडा अत्यंत भयानक जदि गोटे नंबर 1 चैनल जने व्यक्ति को प्रसिद्ध व्यक्ति को आज ये जिन सामना करिया को पड़ुछि साधारण लोकंकर तो कौन स्थान ना आमे उभय भारतीय न्यायिक व्यवस्था मोदी जी एवं अमित शाह जी उपरे हमर संपूर्ण विश्वास अछि दयाकरी किछि करंतु जेपरि अर्णव निरापद फेरी आस पारिबो ता परिवार सहित दीपावली मनाई पारिबो समस्त ताको अपेक्षा करछन स्टूडियो को आसिया पे जोथरे हमर दृढ़ विश्वास अछि आपण किछि करन सितां बोली and media is the fourth pillar of our democracy and freedom of speech freedom of press it's our civic right it's scary how it's being gagged Arnav represents the voice of a common citizen it's just unacceptable that Arnav is being the way it's being treated if a person running the number 1 channel is facing this then common citizens they just don't stand anywhere it's indeed a watershed moment I would say for all a moment where our rights our freedom even the life seems to be in threat in danger and we have a complete faith in both Indian judiciary system requesting Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji Home Minister Amit Shah ji to ensure that Arnav is safe and back home to celebrate Deepavali with his family and the whole world is waiting for him to be back in studio and listen him. Arnav, we are with you and the whole world is with you and with blessings of Mother we will be safe and will be back soon. Jai Jagannath, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Namaskar, Sidney. Mich naam Nalini Raina, which is rose on Fremont, California hasmaz. The yan pet you wuch Arnavson, bardok chugatsan, ki kya sabdan India hasmaz. So the Modi government hasmaz. So I'm going to repeat this. My name is Nalini Raina and I'm from California, Fremont. And I've been here for more than 40 years. And I've been following Arnab Goswami since the time of Times Now. He's been with Times Now and then now his Republic TV. And being from Kashmir, you all know what Kashmiris have gone through. It's not a secret. And we still are suffering. And there are people still creating havoc over there. And he is the only journalist, a true journalist, who has been fighting for the Kashmiri cause and relentlessly fighting it. And now for him to go through what he is going through, it really pains my heart. I was watching the way he was being dragged and I was really emotional. I sat in front of my God. I said, please protect this guy. He is the only true journalist who fights from his heart and who fights relentlessly for the Hindu cause. What is our Modi government doing? With joint hands, I pray that they release him and they do something. Open your mouth, the Modi government and central government. We need him. We need him. India needs him. Why are they punishing him? Only because he's fighting for the Indian cause. Those sadhus and Palankar, Sushant Singh Rajput, Nisha Salian, and this is humbug what they are doing to him. And then they're pulling out the 2018 case, which had been already closed. This is all vendetta, 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 all the way through. And I do agree with everybody. I'm not going to replicate, but I agree with everybody who's already spoken. So I'm not going to make this too long, but I do, again, with my hands folded, request the central government, the Modi government, please wake up, Modi ji, wake up. It's time to wake up. Otherwise, we'll lose a beautiful, wonderful journalist who is such a true journalist. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
హలో, నా పేరు సాయి కృష్ణ. నేను ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ నుంచి వస్తున్నాను. యుఎస్ లో 7 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఉన్నాను నేను. What's really going on with Arnab is really heartbreaking. It reeks of personal vendetta. I'm reminded of a saying where you say that I may not agree with you, but I will defend to death your right to express yourself. So that is the freedom democracy is based on. That is real freedom of speech. If this was in the pursuit of justice, where were you, Uddhav Thackeray? Where were you, Maharashtra government, when the sadhus were murdered? Where were you when Hindus were being lynched? Now you're coming up, opening up a 2018 case, which is already closed, and then you're putting Arnab along with terrorists, where his real life is in danger. I request BJP, the national government, the governor, and if necessary, even the president, take over the rule of Maharashtra, because government is not functioning according to democratic principles. This is a time where the president could come in and impose presidency just to save India's democracy, freedom of press, freedom of religion. And it's a shame that other news channels are using this, are actually clapping behind and feeling happy that someone who really is pro-India is behind bars. There was one person, one guy in the complete Indian media diaspora who was ready to speak for India, for the Indian army. And Uddhav Thackeray, being from Shiv Sena, being from Balsahab Thackeray's lineage, this is just ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Balsahab Thackeray would be ashamed of what Uddhav Thackeray is doing right now. It maybe Shiv Sena is really becoming Sonia Sena. I hope it doesn't become like that. I hope Arnab is safe, and hope the central government and the president take something into their hands and put some sense back into Maharashtra. Again.
Hey, hi, this is MK from Charlotte, and I really support Republic Network, and I condemn the act of Maharashtra state government. And this is really, really shocking state, wherein a state government has become a fascist government, and it is like exploiting all the constitutional posts and, you know, misusing their past for their personal benefits and agenda. I think it's high time that the center and judiciary takes note of these things and come up with reforms in the constitution, where every citizen gets right to protect their freedom of expression. And if any leader who's in power, in, you know, be it a CM or be it any minister who's handling any type of portfolio, I think it's time that they have to be accountable and answerable. And they even have to be punished for any action that they take against the state, citizens, and the country. So I raise my voice for reforms in all these type of laws that protects every citizen of this country and protect their freedom of expression. It's a request to the center and to the judiciary. Please take cognizance of it. We, India, being a democracy, we will not tolerate this type of fascism. And it's written in the constitution that no one is above law, then how come the state government is getting up with all these type of illegal activities and exploiting all the constitutional posts for their personal benefits? Thank you.
Thank you, Mamta ji. I will now ask, there's a Kritika Venkat, she has raised her hand. Kritika ji, do you have any particular question? No?
Can you hear me?
Do you have any question? You have raised your hand.
Oh yeah, no. Can I talk? Are you able to see me? Okay.
Okay, we will give you as the last speaker.
Okay.
If you have your camera on, then you may speak.
Okay, my video, I don't know why it stopped. I'm trying to start it again. Can you hear me?
Yes, go ahead.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so I'm Kritika. I'm also called Uma Venkat from California, and I'm basically from Tamil Nadu and a great Modi follower. But I'm very, very upset with the Indian government that they're not taking any action. Great follower of Arnab too, and I'm also upset with my own state, Tamil Nadu, that people have not come together and rallied around. And I know Arnab loves Chennai. He has great regards for people from Chennai, and they've not come together and rallied around in support. He does everything in the interest of the nation. Nation first, no compromise. That's his motto. And all of us stand for that. And we need to rally around with him and support him. And nothing should happen to him. I really look forward to the central government to take it up and stop this nonsense forthwith, immediately. Otherwise, I'm going to lose all hope for India with the Modi government. I'm really, really upset about it. Thank you so much.
If you speak Tamil, you may speak few lines in Tamil also.
Sure. என் தமிழ் சகோதர சகோதரிகளுக்கு வணக்கம். நாமெல்லாம் சேர்ந்து அர்னாப் அவர்களுக்கு நம்ம ஆதரவை ரொம்ப தெரிவிக்கணும். மோடி கவர்மெண்ட்டும் சென்ட்ரல் அரசும் மத்திய அரசும் இம்மீடியட்டா பண்ணும். இதுல ஆக்ஷன் எடுக்காட்டாக்க நம்ம யாருக்கு வேணா என்னைக்கு வேணா இது எப்ப வேணா நடக்கலாம். நம்ம ஊர்ல எவ்வளோ பேரு அநியாயத்துக்கு எதிர்த்து நிக்கிறாங்க. அவங்க எல்லாருக்கும் இது நடக்கலாம். ஓகே, இப்ப அர்னாபுக்கே சப்போர்ட் இல்லைன்னா யாருக்கு வேணா இந்த மாதிரி நடக்கலாம். நம்ம ஊர்லயும் தயவு செஞ்சு எல்லாரும் உங்க செப்பரேட் ஐ மீன் வாட் எவர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வியூஸ் இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் விட்டுட்டு சேர்ந்து இதுக்கு அகேன்ஸ்டா நம்ம போராடணும். தயவு செய்து ஒன்று கூடி போராடலாம் வாங்க. தேங்க்ஸ், ரொம்ப மிக்க நன்றி. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kritika ji. Our Skype interview with Republic TV is scheduled for 10:30. So we have about 13 to 14 more minutes. If there is anyone who speaks in any other regional language which we have not covered, I may take one or two more speakers who could speak in few minutes. Please make sure you have not covered that language. So avoid duplication of the languages. I will edit this video accordingly. Do we have anyone else?
Yes, I'd like to talk 1 or 2 minutes.
Which language, sir?
Bengali and English.
Sir, we already covered
Bengali.
Yes.
Okay.
But Niranjan Da, that's okay. Arnab is from Assam and Bengal. So I would let you speak for a few minutes. Go ahead.
Okay, I have the information that there is a huge amount of fund being used to do the operation of Arnabji, whatever happened. That many of them, especially Maharashtra government, is doing it. As a result, I send you some information that CBI investigations is to be done by the central government. What exactly happened, Maharashtra government, why they did it. This is illegal, unethical, immoral. 2018, there is a case that has been done without any court, order. They cannot arrest him at all. And another thing I noticed, why Arnabji did not have any personal protection team. He knows that Maharashtra government is not doing well, as well as Maharashtra government is against him, because he is focusing all the informations that is being carried out, especially the movie industry. Lot of mafia money is being invested there. He's trying to dig it and bring it, bring light on it to the people so that everybody knows what's going on there. So my request to the government of India, especially Modi ji, that they should take immediate actions. Not only that, they throw out the Maharashtra government and impose the president's rule there as soon as possible. That's all about. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you give me a time.
Niranjanda, can you speak few lines in Bangla and make sure your camera is proper, please?
The Bangla meaning, I'm speaking in Bengali. Maharashtra government যেটা করেছে সেটা unethical এবং immoral, সেটা কখনোই অ্যাকসেপ্ট করা যেতে পারে না। এবং যেহেতু এটা করছে সেই জন্য সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টের উচিত, স্পেশালি দি গভর্নর অফ মহারাষ্ট্র, তিনি যেন রাষ্ট্রপতি শাসন জারি করেন, যাতে করে মহারাষ্ট্র গভর্নমেন্টকে ফেলে দেওয়া যায় এবং সেখানের প্রেসিডেন্টস রুল হলে পরে সিবিআই ইনকোয়ারি করে টোটাল জিনিসটা যাতে আমাদেরকে জানানো হয় এবং ইন্ডিয়ান সিটিজেনদের জানানো হয় কেন অর্ণব গোস্বামীকে অ্যারেস্ট করা হয়েছে, এর ভিতরে কি রয়েছে, এর পিছনে কি কি অভিসন্ধি রয়েছে। তাহলে সেটা আমরা অ্যাজ এন ইন্ডিয়ান এনআরআই and as well as the citizens of India আমরা সেটা জানতে পারবো। জানতে পারলে ভালো হয়। সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট যদি সেটা করেন খুব ভালো হয়। স্পেশালি যদি রাষ্ট্রপতি গভর্নরকে আদেশ দেন যাতে করে মহারাষ্ট্র গভর্নমেন্টকে ফেলে দিয়ে ওখানে যদি রাষ্ট্রপতি শাসন জারি করা যায় তাহলে ভালো হয়। আমি সাজেস্ট করছি সেটা। থ্যাংক ইউ, আপনাদের ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাঙ্কস, বাই।
Okay, we still have 10 more minutes. The Republic TV is planning to cover us live using Zoom. So I'm gonna get all of you in one screen and just show live in their live TV the support of the NRIs, primarily from the USA, and of course all across the world also. We plan on having similar such sessions over the next week and 10 days, irrespective of the release of Arnabda. Reason being, the world must know the tyranny inflicted upon him. So just stay patient. We have to take about 8-9 minutes. If there is any other speaker from any other state from Bharat and any other language, if they would like to speak, this is your time and you may speak.
Devji, this is Rajeshri. I can speak in Malayalam.
Go ahead.
Hello, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. എൻ്റെ പേര് രാജശ്രീ. ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ന്യൂജേഴ്സിയിൽ 23 വർഷമായിട്ടുള്ള ആൻഡ് ഞാൻ ഒരു IT entrepreneurs ഉള്ള പിന്നെ volunteers കുറെ ആക്കണം. Hello everybody, my name is Rajeshri. I've been living in the state of New Jersey for the last 23 years and I come from the very safe that we thought the place of Mumbai. I had lived in Mumbai for many years, ever since my birth. And we always considered Mumbai to be a very safe place. We used to be so proud to be a Mumbaikar. But unfortunately, with all the things that have been happening ever since the Palghar Sadhu lynching state started, and with the Sushant Singh Rajput case, with Arnab Goswamiji's case, we are really ashamed to call ourselves Mumbaikars. And I feel very sad now to tell any of my Indian friends that, I am from a state and a city which has such a precedence of, complete banana republic. We have never seen anything like this. We still have faith in Mr. Modi and Mr. Amit Shah to bring order to this lovely city of Mumbai. And it is just very heart-wrenching to watch Arnab, who is such an elite person, who is in our homes, in our living rooms, every single day at prime time. And we show our children Republic so that, they come to know what goes on in India and what's happening in India every single day. And unfortunately, now I have to explain to them the dirty things that are happening, and I'm not at all happy. I don't ever want my kids to be ashamed of their Indian roots ever. I take great pride in it, and I want them to be proud, even though they are born here. I want them to say that they have Indian roots. But unfortunately, when they see all that things that are happening now, it's very hard to explain to a young kid how a lovely city like Mumbai turned into this disorderly, I don't know what I can call a dictatorship of a Raj. I'm just praying with all my heart that Mr. Arnab Goswami and all the others who are involved in all these cases, the other journalists, they come out safely and soundly and with an even more roar and, with even more power in their voice to stand for all of us. And we want to let him know that we are always behind him. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.
Thank you all. We will take another 5 minutes for any opinions or questions until I get a call from Republic TV. And
Hi,
then,
this is Deval Shah. Sorry.
allow me to
Hi.
finish, plus. Allow me to
Sorry,
finish,
I'm sorry.
please. So next 5 to 8 minutes, we will have a free flow questions and answers. As I said, a copy of this session will be sent along with Republic TV to the local South Asian television channels here in the USA. A copy of this video will go to the Maharashtra state government, Chief Minister Shri Uddhav Thackeray ji, the Maharashtra state Home Minister Shri Anil Deshmukh ji, the NCP Party Supremo Shri Sharad Pawar ji, the BJP National President Shri JP Nadda ji, the Maharashtra State BJP President Shri Chandrakant Patil ji, the Mumbai City BJP President Shri Mangal Prabhat Lodha ji, the BJP State NRI in charge for Maharashtra Shri Atul Shah ji, the Home Minister of Bharat Shri Amit Shah ji, and the Prime Minister of Bharat Shri Narendra Modi ji. So we will be sending this video, which is a good summarization of the diverse NRI population all across, primarily from the USA, speaking in one voice, their unconditional love for Arnab Goswami, their unconditional support for Arnab Goswami, their support for Republic TV, and also a humble request to all of the Indian citizens, as well as to the Maharashtra state government, Maharashtra police, and to the government of India for his immediate release. Until then, we continue to host the support rallies for Arnabda. We continue to host such sessions globally to the global audience, and we continue to include Republic TV as well as other media and the socio-political leadership who can also further press their voice towards the immediate release of Arnab Da. Having said that, I may take few minutes of questions and answers, or it's a free flow communication. You may speak. Please raise your hand so that I can unmute that speaker, and then you may speak. Thank you. Dhiren,
Devji, this is Dinesh. Actually, my name came it differently. Dinesh Nilavar. I sent you the photograph and the video of the Arnab support protest from San Francisco to you on the WhatsApp. You can use it also for sending it to people in your list.
Yes, I will be doing that. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. All right.
We have Lina Tripathi ji. Go ahead, please.
Yes, this is Lina, and I just want to let everyone know that what is happening with Arnab is unacceptable, and we are very ashamed of Maharashtra government. The central government should intervene and ensure that either Maharashtra government is removed or something is done so that Arnab is freed as soon as possible. That's all I have to say. Thank you for giving me a minute.
The next person will be Rajan Sada. Yes, go ahead, please.
Yeah, this is Rajan Sadagopan from Bay Area, California, and I am from Tamil Nadu originally. This is not only happening for Arnab Goswami. In Tamil Nadu, even the Facebook posters are harassed and they are booked under National Security Act for posting very ordinary posts. So this is not happening in all these states, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and everywhere, all over India, for the Hindu supporters, BJP supporters mainly. The central government should do something to safeguard their supporters and protect their life and safety and save them from such tortures from the other opposition party ruling governments. In this case, I request the central government, the Prime Minister and the Home Minister to intervene immediately and save the life of Arnab Goswami. We are hearing so many rumors and tweet messages that his life is in serious threat, and he himself has told that. So I request the government to act and intervene immediately and save his life. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm giving opportunity for the people who have not spoken before. So please bear with me. We have Deval Shah.
Hi, this is Deval. I live in Redlands, California. 27th year in US. I'm still holding my Indian passport. You'll find very few people will be like me. I'm here to just make a statement. Uddhav Thackeray, Maharashtra government, Mumbai police, Sharad Pawar, you are a bunch of cowards. You are a bunch of cowards that you cannot tolerate the truth from a decent, intelligent, hardworking journalist. A people of Maharashtra, a people of Shiv Sena, you are a bunch of cowards electing a people like Uddhav Thackeray who does not want a truth. It is a very sad and ashamed situation in the Maharashtra. It's nothing but, I mean, I'm trying to control my language because we are very decent people in this group. What we see here, it's unbelievable. I'm flabbergasted beyond the words. And I'm not afraid and I'm not ashamed. I'm not afraid to tell Uddhav Thackeray is the #1 coward of India. I met Narendra Modi ji 2006, 2007, and in 2008. Narendra Bhai, this is if this comes to you, Narendra Bhai, Amit Bhai, LD Engineering College election, I know you from these days. I'm sad that your government has not said a single word. Why? If this is what happens to the journalism in India, the democracy in India is a so-called democracy, and it is not accepted. I'm ashamed today that I'm still holding my Indian passport after 27 years and seeing this kind of things happening in India. To our journalists, freedom of speech, freedom of expression is being suppressed by a coward government of Uddhav Thackeray. He has no guts, he has no balls because he cannot accept the truth. Today, people of India and people of Maharashtra, please stay and stand with journalism. Please stay and stand with Arnab Goswami. He needs you more than ever. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm taking calls from the speakers who have not spoken before. So do we have anyone else? Please raise your hand, especially if speakers from Assam, Bangla speaking region, or people from Maharashtra, you may speak up to a minute. Thank you. If anyone wants to go, please. I'm still waiting for Republic TV to call me. If they don't call me in a few minutes, we'll wrap up the session. Does anyone else wants to speak?
Devji, can I take 2 minutes, please? I'll wind up soon.
Can I say something?
Dev bhai, I will speak in Marathi.
I'll speak in Konkani.
Sure.
Okay.
I'll represent Goa.
Konkani, are you in the USA, ma'am?
No, I'm not. I'm sorry. That's why I was waiting. Can I?
This is for USA speakers only.
Okay, I'm sorry.
The format of the program is, so
Can I say something?
if you are a US resident,
Yes.
then you may. What's your name? Have you raised your hand?
My name is Rani Singer, and I'm very appalled to see that public of India have elected such a horrible leader who have no respect for democracy. People of India, please next time do not vote for this idiot and this murderer and this butcher. In my astrology, I see that all these people in Bollywood and the politicians of Maharashtra, they all are criminals. I can prove it through the astrology. And please, people of India, use your vote wisely next time and do the dharnas and whatever it takes in India to get justice for Arnab, because a free press is good for the country. We should let the journalists speak their mind. If they don't like, they don't have to go to the channels. But free speech is so important. Please, people, I beg everyone, do something. And how come the courts in India will open the court at night for a terrorist and not for a journalist and ordinary citizen of India? Can somebody answer that question in the government over there? Do they have any guts to even come out and say why the hell are they doing all this? Terrible. I'm afraid to go to India. All the NRIs in the US, we are afraid. I'm in Los Angeles, California, and I am really, really sick in my stomach to see in reality what's happening and what I see in the planets, what they're indicating, what terrible things this politician Uddhav Thackeray did to Kangana Ranaut and then now to Arnab Goswami. We all need to come out and start supporting the good people like Arnab Goswami. And I really pray for him, and he's in my prayer. Thank you so much for the time. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hey, bye. So this is Hemant. I'm from New Jersey, and by the way, I own a media house.
Okay.
So that's another thing, along with working on Wall Street and all that. But one thing I will say, there is this Marathi proverb, "Ati tithe mati." I believe this is exactly what Maharashtra government is doing, and I never thought that Uddhav Thackeray's father, who built the whole organization based on a newspaper, will put somebody in such type of a shameful manner. They have converted this whole state into banana republic. Shame on them, really shame on them. And they should know that power comes with responsibility. And guess what? If they are using power with this way, really atiti the mati, meaning destruction will happen for that government. And one thing I want to also mention about, particularly about central government, that this coward Parambir Singh is the central government employee. Why central government is not acting? I'm really beyond this. This baffles me, that why they are not acting. And third thing I will say, Satyamev Jayate, may Bharat Mata, may Lord Shiva protect Republic TV and all the family members of Republic TV. That's what I will say.
Thank you. I still see a few raised hands. So Basu, you can go next.
Yes. Hi. This is Basu Danapanawar. I'm just wondering, what is the latest update on Arnab's safety? Is there anywhere we can see that, or just the Republic TV is the only source? Because I don't think any other TVs are showing anything about Arnab, and it's shame on them. I don't think that's journalism, because journalism is supposed to be unbiased. You just have to show what it is exactly, why they are not showing. And yeah, I understand there's some some hurdles, restrictions for central government to take over the state government. They cannot just go and do that, but they have to be vocal about that. And I wish soon Amit Shah ji or Modi ji or PMO statement will come about Arnab's update. I hope we'll hear about his safety soon. Thank you.
You can watch using Google. You can watch Republic TV, see the episodes right now. Also on your screen, you can see the reporter. It's standing outside the Taloja remand where Arnab is kept, and they are giving the updates. I still have two more people. Again, they're repeat, but since their hands are raised, I'm asking them. Sai Krishna, you're next.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that I think we need to start a hashtag or some kind of a movement saying Maharashtra government or Uddhav Thackeray, what are you hiding? What are you afraid of? Right? Because we all can see the connection that once the Sushant Singh Rajput case came up and Arnab started following it and not letting it go, then they have taken this action against him. Is there something that's linking them? So if we put that fear in them, say, hey, we suspect you are having something wrong and you're hiding, then that may put them on the back foot.
Thank you. Yes, each one of us, this copy of this video will be sent to each one of you. Please use it to your advantage using all social media, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and Telegram. And you can also make free use of Facebook and Twitter. Thank you. Next is Dhiren Urikat.
Yeah. So namaste, Devji. This is Dinesh Nilawar. So just wanted to give information for people asking why the central government and Modi ji are not doing anything. Basically, give you the facts. NCB, National Narcotics Bureau, and then NIA and a lot of other agencies are involved. They're doing their job. Okay, it's very deep, and it is very, I would say, international, and there is a deep conspiracy around it. Because of the past 5 months, we have seen a lot of those issues come out. But the main point here is people to understand that ISA deep state are involved because of the a lot of mafia gangs and others are connected with this Bombay area. So there is a lot of things which cannot be disclosed right away immediately, and the other news media are not covering it because there is a nexus with those news media with those kind of money and different kind of ownership. So there is a big thing which India needs to be cleaned up. That is why we voted for BJP, remember, and that is the reason it is not going to get solved with immediately all of these problems. But right now we need to get Arnab out, but solving the problem will take 2 to 5 years. So just we have to be very patient, and we have to have the trust with the government. And what we have changed, it took us several years to do that. So we need to show the support to the government also. Thank you very much.
Who was speaking? Sorry, who was speaking?
Thank you.
Dinesh Nilawar.
Next is Daipan Dev.
Yeah, namaste Devji, and namaste everyone. So I did speak in the past. Basically, Ami Bengali or Ami Assamero. In Assamese, I am saying like Moi Ahomal Loda, and in basically people from Assam are very upset. Like Arnab is directly related. He is from Indian army background, and he is very popular in Assam. People in Northeast, I know Modi ji has tried to outreach people in Northeast, and if this is what is happening, somebody from Northeast is being harassed in Mumbai. I mean, it's going to be a big setback for bringing the Northeast into integrating Northeast with the rest of the India. It's taken in a very different way in Northeast. So people from mainland India should understand that. So I appeal to Modi ji, this needs to be taken more seriously than actually what actually you might see in TV. So yeah, that's what I wanted to add. Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Thank you. Next is Rakesh Shah.
Hi everybody, this is Dr. Rakesh Shah. હું ગુજરાતી છું. મને બહુ એક્ઝેક્ટ તો ખબર નથી કે શું પોલિટિક્સ ચાલી રહ્યું છે, પણ just my one personal message to Arnab that hey Arnab, I don't know whether you get a chance to see this or not, but just in our heart you are there, and we are all with you, and ultimately truth will prevail. And we all are kind of concerned that why Narendra Modi is not speaking anything. But the way I have understood him is that he probably will solve the problem. जो जड़ से वो उसका solution लाएंगे. And we hope and pray that until then you are safe and sound wherever you are. And we look forward to seeing you back again on the Republic TV. Thank you.
Thank you, Rakesh ji. Next we have is Paro Sarkar. Paro, if you can speak in a minute, a little bit of Bengali and in English, please. Thank you. Do we have Paro?
নমস্কার, আমার নাম পারমিতা সরকার, আমি হিউস্টন টেক্সাসে থাকি। যারা এই ডিসকাশনে অংশগ্রহণ করছে সকলকে ধন্যবাদ, কারণ এখন প্রতিটি নাগরিক যারা দেশে বসবাস করছেন এবং দেশের বাইরে যারা বসবাস করছেন সকলের ওপর এখন একটা দায়িত্ব পড়েছে যে একে অপরের সঙ্গ দিতে এবং রুখে দাঁড়াতে। যে ইকোসিস্টেম লেফটিস্টরা কংগ্রেসরা তৈরি করেছে সেটা এক দুদিনে ভাঙবে না, এবং যদি আমরা ভাবি যে এটা অর্ণবকে দিয়ে শেষ হবে, তা হবে না। প্রত্যেকটি মানুষ যারা অর্ণবকে সমর্থন করছে, যারা প্রতিবাদে নামছে, তাদের উপরেও কিন্তু একটা টার্গেট মারা হচ্ছে। সুতরাং যারা এইসব জিনিসে অংশগ্রহণ করছেন আপনাদের সাহসকে আমি জানাচ্ছি, প্রশংসা করছি, কিন্তু এটা একটা লং টার্ম যুদ্ধ এবং এটা ভারতের ভবিষ্যতের জন্য একটা ক্রিটিক্যাল জাংচার। So I was saying that even though this looks like a highly politicized event and Arnob may be okay, the fact that everybody is speaking up is a good sign, but I'm also worried for everybody who's speaking up because not everybody has the exposure that Arnob has, and I do feel people are going to be targeted. So we need to support each other. We need to make sure that our ecosystem starts developing, that not only Arnob, but any regular citizen that is targeted anywhere within India and outside India, we stand up for each one of us. We need to stick together. Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Santosh Karande, if he's still there.
Thank you, Mr. Dev. Really, hats off to Mr.
Santosh ji, speak in a minute or two in Marathi first, briefly, and then in English.
Yeah, sure. Myself Santosh Karande. माझं नाव संतोष करंडे आहे. मी जॉर्जिया मध्ये आहे, अमेरिकेत. खरंच हॅट्स ऑफ आहे मिस्टर अर्नबला की ते गेली 4-5 महिने वन मॅन शो आर्मी लढत आहेत, एक सत्यासाठी लढत आहेत, आणि त्या माणसाच्या मागे एवढा त्रास या लोकांनी लावलेला आहे महाराष्ट्र सरकारने. खरंच हे बघता खूप वाईट वाटतं. याच्यामध्ये आता केंद्र सरकारने इंटरव्हेन केलं पाहिजे. I think Modi sir is waiting for a right point or right time to intervene into, and really very soon we'll see the solution and answer for this, and Maharashtra Sarkar also will see it's very bad. We are hurting of this, whatever this happening in India. and this particularly in Maharashtra with the Arnab Goswami. So we are waiting for that to come the true out. Thank you very much.
Next is Nalini Rajaji.
Hey, Devji. My question is, where is the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting? Doesn't India have a Ministry of Information and Broadcasting? Why aren't they helping Arnab? And why isn't the other media houses speaking for Arnab? Also, we always compared India to the oldest democracy and the largest democracy with the USA. Where is the democracy here? This is not democratic rule. This is a military rule. Since when did India become into a military rule? My question to, if this video goes to the Prime Minister or the central government, Amit Shah ji, since when did India become a military rule government? If that is so, we should not call India the oldest or the largest democracy. We should not compare it with the democratic world of the USA. So I just hope that the central government intervenes here and some justice is given to what else is happening here. India should not be a military rule. Maharashtra is a shameful government. I just hope we get some answers to this. And please, where is the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting during all this? Ministry of in Government of India. Thank you.
You may also speak in Gujarati because this is going to go to Motabhai Atul Shah, who is the Motabhai of NRIs of Maharashtra state, and also Narendra Modi ji.
Yes, I've had the opportunity to interview both Amit Shah ji in Ahmedabad when he was the chief minister, also Narendra Modi ji when we took delegations to India and had the honor of interviewing both of them. I am just surprised. Sorry, I have to speak in Gujarati. Narendra bhai and Amit bhai, આપણે આટલું બધું અત્યાચાર થાય છે અર્નબ ઉપર, તમે લોકો ક્યાં સંતાયા છો? અમને અમેરિકામાં તમે આવો છો નરેન્દ્રભાઈ, તો અમે કેટલું બધું તમને માન આપીએ છે, કેટલું મોટું માન આપીએ છે. અત્યારે અમેરિકા રડે છે, અર્નબ સાથે શું થાય છે? તમે પ્લીઝ થોડું કંઈક તો કરો અમારા માટે. અર્નબને કંઈક તો તમે વિચારો કે એના ઉપર શું થાય છે. આ તો ટેરરિસ્ટ જેવું હોય. ટેરરિસ્ટને એટેક કરે એવી રીતે મહારાષ્ટ્ર ગવર્મેન્ટ કરે છે. યુ આર ધ સેન્ટ્રલ ગવર્મેન્ટ, તમે ઇન ચાર્જ ઓફ ધ હોલ ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા છો, તો મહારાષ્ટ્રમાં આ તમે સ્ટોપ કેમ નથી કરી શકતા? આપણે ઘણીવાર મળ્યા છે અને ખાસ વિનંતી છે કે પ્લીઝ તમે આમાં ઇન્ટરફિયર કરો તો બહુ સારું. નરેન્દ્રભાઈ પ્લીઝ, બીજેપીને અહીંયા બધા બહુ સપોર્ટ કરે છે, તમને બહુ જ સરસ હ્યુસ્ટનમાં આવકારો આપેલો, ન્યુયોર્કમાં આવકારો આપેલો, કેલિફોર્નિયામાં આવકારો આપેલો. પ્લીઝ ઇન્ટરફિયર ઇન ધીસ. વી વોન્ટ ટુ હિયર ફ્રોમ યુ. કંઈક તો તમે બોલો, થોડું બોલો, કંઈક બોલો, જસ્ટિસ માટે બોલો, અમારી માટે બોલો. ખાસ પ્લીઝ do something. Thank you.
Thank you, Nalini ji. Nalini ji is a media professional, and she has the pleasure of meeting and interviewing many senior dignitaries in Bharat. And she have interviewed Amit Shah ji, Narendra Modi ji, and many others. So I can understand her disappointment, but I'm sure they are closely watching and they are closely making a note of it. Modi ji is known for taking decisive actions, the way the Balakot attack happened, the way he retaliates. So is the quiet before the tsunami, as I often say about Modi ji. So I'm sure it's Arnab Da is in good hand. I'm sure Maharashtra government would not like to sabotage their chances of complete destruction of the power. And I'm sure the Amchi Marathi Manush of Mumbai, Maharashtra is also on the street towards giving his and her support to Arnab Da and for Republic TV. If nobody has any other questions.
मला फक्त माझं नाव तुम्ही लिहिलंय तिकडे. Can I take the time?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Thank you so very much. हांव अनिता करंबलकर, गोव्यातल्यान. सध्या केनियान आसा. म्हाका फक्त सुप्रीम कोर्टाक विचारपाचें आसा, आनी बाय प्रोफेशन हांव क्लिनिकल सायकोलॉजिस्ट. म्हाका फक्त सुप्रीम कोर्टाक हेच विचारपाचें आसा की तुमी कितें प्रेसिडेंट यंग जनरेशनाक दिवपाक पळयतात. आज जर तर देशासाठी लढणाऱ्या मनशाक जर अशे तरीकेन जर ट्रीट करतले, एक आतंकवादी सारखे जर ट्रीट करतले, शाहीन बाग जालो, सुप्रीम कोर्टान इंटरव्हीन केले, रस्ते ब्लॉक केले तरी सुप्रीम कोर्टान काहीही म्हणू ना. राईट, इतले हथरस केस झाली, टोटली फॉज केस असलेली, पण पूर्ण मीडिया ताणे हे केले, इवोक केले. आणि आज देशासाठी जर लढणारो मनुष्य असा, ताजे जर तर असे कंडिशन तुम्ही जर करत असतले, जाल्यार येणारी पिढी कितें फॉलो करतली ती सुप्रीम कोर्टान हे जाणून घेवपाची. कारण बेसिकली पळोवपाक गेल्यार जे आमचे 4 पिलर म्हणटात त्या मिडियाच्या पिलरा बरोबर हो आमचो सुप्रीम कोर्ट सुद्धा इम्पॉर्टंट पिलर असा. आणि हो जो केस असा हे सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या हितून सगळ्यात जास्त येता. तो खरेच सांगपा लागला की मिनिंग खरेच वाईट दिसपा लागला. आज सध्या हांव केन्यान असा, इंडियान जर आसता असलेले तर रस्त्यार येता असलेले सांगता तुमकां. जे जावपा लागला ते खरेच खूप वाईट जावपा लागला. लोक सगळे आमकां विचारपा लागला कितें तुमच्या इंडियान जावपा लागला ते. हांव खरेच रिक्वेस्ट करपा लागला सुप्रीम कोर्टाक, तुम्ही प्लीज हे घालात की आज जर तर एक कोर्टान लास्ट हितून डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्टान जर तर फक्त लोकांक उलोवपा लावपा लागला आनी टाइम पास करपा लागला, तुम्ही फक्त हे पळोवपाक की अर्नबाक आनी परत तारीख मेळटली म्हणून, कितें हिंदी पिक्चर चालू आसा हे तारीख पे तारीख. तुम्ही हेच प्रेसिडेंस दिवपा पळयता की लोकांक सांगपा पळयतात की तुम्ही उलयला जाल्यार तुमकां अशें तुमचे कंडिशन जातले म्हणून. Supreme Court, I really ask you to please intervene. We are all looking upon you because as the main pillar of the 4 pillars, you are also an important pillar and it is now in your court. The ball is in your court. Supreme Court has to take an action now. Thank you so very much. I'm sorry if I'm sounding to me a little bit aggressive, but this is getting out of patience now. It's really getting out of patience. Thank you so very much. Devji, thank you so very much for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you so much. Now we are over and above our allotted time. This is what real India is, unity in diversity. And this is what Bharat is all about. People from different spheres of life are giving their unconditional support, showing their unconditional love for Arnab Goswami, for Republic TV. I thank you all from bottom of my heart. Depending upon where you are in the USA, and also I see some of you have joined all across the globe. I sincerely appreciate, your investing time and showing your love to Arnab and showing your support to Republic TV. I can assure you, at least from my side, this video as well as the other video will be going not only to the Republic TV, to the local media here, and all the socio-political dignitaries in Bharat. I request you also all, I will be sending this video to each one of you in the group which we have posted. Please take the opportunity to do whatever you can in terms of using social media. Social media is the next bazooka which we have got. And please tag using Twitter and on Facebook and on Instagram to all the socio-political leaders. And I will be taking this forward in having few such sessions. And the main objective is to give an opportunity to the commoners, to common people like you and me, so that they can speak their mind, they could give their opinion, because that's what real India is, and that's what the real India's voice is. So with all, I thank you all for joining in, and thanks for giving your time. Good night for those who are in the USA. And appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Bharat Mata ki jai.
Thank you. Bharat Mata ki jai.
Devji, thanks
Bharat
for
Mata
Thank you, Dev. Thank you, Devji, for coordinating.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद. जय श्री राम.
भारत माता की
जय.
Jai.
भारत माता की जय.
Thank you,
Devji,
Dev.
Hope everything goes well
Jai
for
Ram.
Arnab and then he'll be out of custody as soon as possible.
And
That will be
Devji,
really great.
ki jai.
one tagline,
Bharat
one
Mata ki
tagline.
jai.
Devji,
Vande Mataram.
Devji, one tagline for the Republic TV channel. That Republic TV is the channel of the people, for the people, and by the people.
Of the people, for the people,
Yes.
by the people. I thank you so much, Mamta ji. Those who wants to take the screenshot, please take the screenshot. This is your chance, and please post it in the media. I will be taking the screenshot by myself, and you could also do it from your side.
Thank you.
Also, your
I hope Narendra Modi takes some action soon.
May justice prevail.
Okay, there are 2 screens. So this is the second screen. For those who wants to come on the video, you may.
Devji, is your email address on, are you going to send us your email just in case we need to connect
I
with you?
will. I will.
Thank you, thank you.
Or
By the way, you
Devbhai,
conducted this meeting very well.
Sure,
Very
you're
impressive.
welcome.